Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Wednesday. There's a weak cold front brushing past the south coast this morning, not causing a whole lot of rainfall, but definitely bringing some cooling to the western and eastern Cape. Meanwhile, partly cloudy conditions likely in the northern parts of South Africa, with a low risk of rain in the Lowveld and adjacent escarpment. But it's going to be another cloudy, wet afternoon across the Free State, northwest, and today also KwaZulu-Natal. In fact, the South African Weather Service issued a watch for heavy falls of rain over the northern parts of KZN, with more than 50 millimeters possible in a 24-hour period. Heavy showers likely across the central parts of South Africa, including the interior of the Eastern Cape. Light rain possible along the Eastern Cape coastline and adjacent interior, and we could see a bit of light rain in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas and Bredasdorp as well. A lot of cloud cover causing lower daytime temperatures in the east. Upper 20s in Gauteng, 29 in Pretoria and Bombela, 27 degrees in Johannesburg and Mahikeng, 27 degrees in Pietermaritzburg as well. Despite all the rain expected, we're also expecting a hot and humid start to the day. 26 in Bishu today, 27 in Graafrenet and East London. Cooler though in George with a high of 22 and Cape Town warming to 27. Along the west coast this afternoon, we'll see an increase in swell, reaching up to 2.5 meters with a southwesterly direction. Wind southwesterly as well, reaching speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour. A long period swell will reach the Atlantic seaboard later on. Wave heights up to 3 meters in the open ocean, with southeasterlies increasing to 35 kilometers per hour, and high tide is expected at 7:30 this evening. Along the south coast, onshore winds speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour in Plettenberg Bay. It's going to be slightly stronger towards Algoa Bay, with wind speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour and an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. Along the east coast today, very wet conditions later on. Northeasterlies up to 25 kilometers per hour in Richards Bay, with a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com